Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, here I am back with the revision video of Chapter 6 Introduction to Scratch. Students, as you know, that your half yearly examination is going to start. So, let's start the revision of Chapter 6. Students, as you all know, that Scratch is one of the easiest computer languages. Children can use Scratch to create their own games, animated stories, and projects with great ease. So, to work on Scratch, we have to first open this on our computer now. So, to start Scratch, we have to click on the Start button, choose the All Programs, and then from All Programs, we have to click on the Scratch 2.0. And here, the Scratch window opens, which you can see on your screen. And the main components of Scratch window are sprite, stage, sprite list, backdrop icons, stop button, new sprite buttons, block palette, scripts area, blocks menu, tabs, block help, cursor tools, title bar. Students, sprite is a small graphic character that performs action in a Scratch project. You are able to see this sprite. Second is the stage. This is the main working area where the sprite moves and performs actions as per the given instructions. Third is blocks palette. See here. Block palette contains the set of blocks which are used to program the slide and give actions to it. Next is script and script area. So what is a script? Script is a collection of step-wise instructions that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. Next is script area. Script area is a place where you create a script for a sprite to do a specific task. So let's move to our next topic, that is moving and turning the sprite. To move the sprite, we have to choose motion block menu. So just by default, the motion block palette is displayed on the left side of the Scratch window. We have to move 10 steps block use. Then we have to use turn clockwise 15 degrees, turn anti-clock 15 degrees, and point in direction 90. Point towards mouse pointer. And to move the pointer, turn the pointer, or turn the sprite, we have to choose move 20 steps block and turn clockwise 15 degrees block, and then the sprite will turn and move. Next is to draw a colorful circle. To draw a colorful circle, we have to use pen block menu. What we have to do is just click on pen block menu. Set the pen down block from the pen block palette. Drag out the block and place it underneath the turn 15 degrees block. Now click and pull the set pen size to one block onto the script area. Drag out the change pen color by 10 block. Keep clicking on any of the blocks in the script area till the sprite completes its colorful circle. Next is saving a project. Once you finish the project, always save it before closing the Scratch window. To save, click on File tab. Under the File tab, select Save option. Save project dialog box will appear. Choose the desired location where you want to save your Scratch project. One more thing class, Scratch 2.0 projects are saved with the extension .sb2. Now assign the name to your project in the file name text box. Click on Save button and your project will be saved. Now you have saved a project. Now how you can open a saved project in the future? To open a saved project, we have to follow the steps. And the steps are click on File tab or menu you can say, and choose Open option from the drop down list. Got it? Then the Open Project dialog box will appear. Select the project you want to open. Click on the Open button. The selected project opens in the Scratch window. So after finishing the revision, here is a revision test 2 for you. And you have to do this in your rough copy after learning the chapter. So first is fill in the blanks. 1. Dash is one of the easiest computer languages. Second, dash block draws a line as a sprite moves on the stage. Third, open option is present under dash tab. Fourth, Scratch 2.0 projects are saved with the extension dash. Fifth, stage is the main working dash. B. Answer the following. First, what is a script? Second, write steps to move a sprite. Third, how can you make a duplicate copy of a sprite? Fourth, how can you save a Scratch project? Fifth, write the steps to draw a colorful circle. CS explain the following terms. First, block palette. Second, scripts area. And the question is draw components of Scratch. So, class, learn the chapter and then solve this revision test 2. Prepare for your half yearly exam. Thank you.